'Cause we'll be on a tether. Cause we'll be on a tether.
Halo, Hugo. Sibuk Hugo pulang sekolah. Yuk, animasi lanjut kok. Hugo mau share screen nggak, Tar?
Oke, tunggu.
Oke. Kak Cika standby. Kak Cika juga mau ngerjain. Hugo kan yang Roblox kan ya? Oke.
Iya.
Ya, kemo. Aja juga lagi kerjain yang project Roblox. Aku ntar dulu buka dulu berarti. Eh, Gimana ke dia? Oke. Hmm, bagus. Oke. Nah, oke. Berarti ini dan ini kita upload dulu. Ini nah, gimana ini mau resize ini? Oke, shift. Nah, nah. Oke. Arti ini kita buat ini. Oke. Ini berarti ntar ketika cek ini dulu. Hmm, ini gimana ya caranya? Oke. Oke. Ini Roblox Kacika ke nyala-nyala. Tunggu dulu. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Kita cek dulu ya. Terakhir itu yang Kacika sampai di hmm, Pengen bikin apa ya? Oh, gue lagi kayak apa sih? Robloxnya Kak Cika tuh lagi ada berapa proyek tapi pengen taruh. Pengen yang mana dulu ya? Hmm, oh, apa ini dulu ya? Kalau udah bisa share screen aja ya, kasih tau Kak Cika. Kak Cika share screen dulu. Ntar dulu. Mau nyoba yang ini jasa jalan gak ya? Kita cek. Kan ini harusnya masih bisa. Kenapa ada tempat tidur sih? Kenapa tiba-tiba ada tempat tidur sih? Ya Allah, lupa deh ini masih jalan gak ya? Duh, malam lagi pula tiba-tiba. Jalan ke tapi eh oh dia ini masih jalan. Bisa. Oh iya bisa, cuman belum diselesaiin. Ini masih jalan berarti. Oke, stop. Codingnya ada di sini. Remote-nya script yang oh ini terus yang ngikutin oh ini siang malamnya. Ini waypoints-nya. Oke. Waypoints itu ada di spawn location bed. Kenapa sih tiba-tiba ada bed sih? Kenapa part ini apa? Oh, ya Allah, kenapa harus ada bed sih? Ya Allah, nggak tahu deh. Kak Cika naruhnya di server script ada main. Ah, bukan. Hmm, path. Oh iya, path-nya. Nah, path-nya kan ini. Iya ya. Path-nya itu, nah codingnya dia harus routing ikutin waypoint. Waypointnya ini foldernya. Ah, ini waypointnya F. Ah, ini adalah F. Ah, kalau ini apa? F. Oh, ini pathnya, ini waypoints-nya. Routingnya ada di sini. Hmm, enggak. Ada pengen bikin apa ya? Oh, gue bikin apa sih? Kak Cika pengen bikin apa ya? Terus pengen bikin, oh pengen bikin ini, inget gue, tapi kok susah ya. Bentar, file new. Aduh, bikin animasinya susah. Oi, pengen bikin yang kayak toko. Coba ada template nggak ya? Cancel, cancel. Template coba. Mana gue? Dikritik. Ah, sama. Oke, sekarang kita coba apa ya? Laser tag, FPS, racing, classic hobby, castle, supermarket. Kok nggak ada ini sih supermarket gitu ya? Hmm, Modern City apaan? Kita coba ya. Kita coba. Wow, bagus. Ntar kita lihat dulu di dalamnya tuh udah ada template, server script service, ada apa? Destroy helper. Nggak ada apa-apa nih berarti. Service UI. Berarti dia nggak ada scriptnya nih. Cek. Apa gini? Ya udah. Oh, bergerak. Nah, ya Allah. Oke, ini banyak asetnya tapi nggak ada kondisinya. Nggak ya. Stop. Gak mau. I need something more interesting. Coba. Berarti ada yang lebih rame nggak? Ini kita close aja. Ini kita close. Cancel. Cancel. Template. Template platformer laser tag UGC. Kalau gitu cari tutorial aja deh. Sayang. Store game. Nah, ini ada. Coba kita lihat.
So what is ClickUp? ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity software where you can manage everything and anything related to your work.
Hey guys, welcome to On Fire. Our shop.
Jadi gimana dulu?
Open visibility to true. And this should be the entire. And I'm going to go into the model, what we named it, under the shop button handler. Screen, if I click the X button, disappears, and I just keep on doing this. And if I'm on the touchpad, I click X, it's just going to reappear once again. But if I'm off of it, then I press X, just disappears just like that.
Login.
So yeah, if touching a touchpad to open the shop is how you want to open the shop, then that's it for this tutorial. Hey guys, welcome to On Fire Roblox Scripting, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a working shop
part 2.
Hey guys, welcome to On Fire Roblox Scripting, and this is the second really matter dot backpack.
Nah, ini gimana?
So if you're going to change values, make sure that you actually go onto the server first. Then you can find like your player on the player list, hash. Then I can change this to something.
Nah, ini kayaknya coba. Hmm, hmm. Gak ada skripnya. Semudah itu.
We have it set up. You want to start work. So we're going to make sure that we start by creating a screen GUI. And so we're going to, so once we have that, we're going to make a scrolling frame inside of this frame. And so I'm going to have a little bit of an offset for it. And you can make it the exact size if you want. It doesn't really matter. And then we're going to want to add a button. Player is equal to price is a string. Now that we have that set to visible, we're see from the client. So we're gonna say player. So what we're gonna do is just say local tool. If you want to name the same. And so once we do this, so once we if we reset,
Oh, benar
we
kayak gini.
respawn, it stays in my starter pack. So there you have it, guys. So that's pretty much it for this tools in the server storage 1, 2, and 3 because those are the names of my tools. And then we can test to see if when we buy it, it'll work. And then if we reset, it'll stay. So once we have this, pretty much everything is set up. We're ready to go in and see if it works. So let's try it out. All right. So let's open up the shop and boom, I got
Oh,
my
dapat.
tool.
Mm-mm.
And so as you can see, it's also subtracting the money from my bank and we have 3 tools. So there we go. Now if we reset and we respawn, it stays in my starter pack. So there you have it, guys. So that's pretty much it for this portion of the video. All right. So let's open up the shop and boom, I got my tool. And so as you can see, it's
Oh, iya
also
benar.
subtracting the money from my
Iya
bank
benar deh. Bagus nih.
and
Coba tarik.
we have 3 tools. So there we go. Now
Coba yang lain. Hmm.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a GUI shop which will allow players our image button located. So we can say dot spec. We will up local gear with and a couple of loading issues recent. I think if we reset, you should be able to keep your items, hopefully, because it's in the starter gear. Yep, you get to keep the item. And I think that is everything. We just want to actually.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a store system. This was recommended by a comment.
Tuh banyak aset.
See the stats. Actually, stats. We can purchase the and what's it called? This model.
Masak pakai racik ayam goreng rempah dan racik sayur lodeh.
Model is really nice. Don't care. So owned by no one. Owned by its mini crew. And if you go inside your player and check the compact value, Apple Store, we can't see if we remove this way. We are in a solo, but I will start a server so we can check. So let's start a server right here. Okay, so this is the server side. This is the player. So the server can see what's happening. So I'm gonna go on the store and then we will see if the server will react when we leave. So it will reset everything. So
Oh,
it's gonna own it right here. So it's owned by player 1, which is my account name. This chicken is one low. Anyways, let's go out here. And I'm gonna now leave. Yeah. As you can see, it resetted, owned by no one, and store app store. The owner value is also not the player name. So yes, it works. So hope you enjoy this video, guys. If you want more videos like this, let me
banget
know.
yang ini.
So
Aku coba ini ah.
automatically respawn. Start by creating a screen GUI. And so we're going to rename this to store one. You can name it whatever you want. It does not So we're gonna make sure that we
Gua kalau udah share screen kasih tahu ya. Saya Kak Cika sambil nonton tutorial. Tunggu.
so that players can use the money that they've made to go and spend it at the various shops that you have in your game. The cool thing about the your uh, your- you're excited. So the first thing that we want to do when we're in the
Astaga,
studio
internet Kak Cika barusan mati, Bu.
is we kind of just want to make sure that we have
Kacau.
everything closed and ready to start work. So we're gonna make sure that have everything is we kind of just want to make sure that
Kan balik lagi. Jangan bilang mati lagi. Kenapa, Ai? Kenapa ya? Aduh, tenang kok. Ini internet go. Apa sih dia? Unstable dia. Si pakai tethering kah? Internet. Allahu Akbar. Kenapa sih? Coba balik lagi, Maya. Bu.
we have everything closed, ready to start work.
Oke, kita lihat dulu.
We're gonna make sure that we start by creating a screen GUI. And so we're gonna rename this to store one. You can name it whatever you want, it does not matter. And then what we're gonna wanna do is create a frame inside of that screen GUI, and we're gonna resize it just so it's a nice size on our screen. And we're gonna center it up. And so once we have that, we're going to make a scrolling frame inside of this frame. And so I'm gonna have a little bit of an offset.
Coba ya.
Hah?
Oke kok. Gua mau share
Udah.
screen nggak?
Udah
Kak Cika berat nggak kalau share screen?
Tunggu.
Hah?
Gak tahu. Aku capek. Jadi lagi kejar kucingnya.
Tadi kenapa sih
Kucing
kucingnya
aku mau
kemana?
kucing aku mau dibawa ke dokter kan. Aku dari tadi lagi
Mau dibawa ke dokter.
cariin. Ya,
Terus udah dapet?
udah.
Ya Allah, ngejarin kucing dia. Kucingnya Hugo kayak gimana sih? Kayak Pororo gitu, lucu, gendut.
Bukan, aku punya yang gendut, tapi yang ini lebih kurus, lebih malu, apa, shy gitu.
Lebih diem.
Iya,
Oh, ada berapa
tapi
emang kucingnya, Bu?
berapa ya? Lupa.
Hah?
Oh, dua,
Berarti lebih dari...
eh, lebih dari 5.
Hah?
8 kalau nggak salah, tapi 2 bayi, 3 bayi, menjadi 9, 9 3 bayi.
Ngurusnya gimana? Ya gitu deh kata Hugo.
Ya,
Ya kayak gitu barusan
eh,
ya. Harus dikejar-kejar, harus dibawa ke vet, harus dikasih makan, dimandiin, dicariin kalau nggak pulang gitu kan. Mumet
iya,
ay. Ya Allah. Oh. Kak Cika nggak pernah punya kucing, punya anjing. Kucing tuh agak susah soalnya nggak bisa diajak ngobrol. Maksudnya nggak semua lebih gampang anjing. Kalau Kak Cika, kalau
Mhm. Aku aku takut anjing.
anjing lucu tahu. Anjing tuh nggak sih jenis tergantung breednya juga. Anjing tuh kayak lebih ngedengerin. Kalau kucing tuh kayak yang asik sendiri gitu. Jadi kayak yang, ih lu tuh dengerin gak sih gue ngomong gitu. Kalau anjing mah kayak lebih empathy gitu. Lebih lebih dengerin, lebih lebih jagain. Jadi Kak Cika kalau punya kucing tuh bingung. Tapi kalau gemuk-gemuk lucu kayak Pororo sih suka. Tapi gak tahu kalau yang Hugo kali lucu juga. Oh, kan. Nih kan Kak Cika nge-lag kan nih Robloxnya. Tungguin. Ini gimana sih? Mau bikin dulu ini dulu. Kak Cika mau bikin shop system. Besok? Besok tanggal berapa sih? Ntar dulu. Kita cek dulu bentar. Gimana? Ih, ini nggak di close lagi Robloxnya. Kan dong nge-lag. Jumat 15 November sana atau Sabtu 16 November jam 9 Netflix. Oh, gue seneng nonton tinju nggak? Besok ada tinju loh. Mike Tyson.
Enggak
Apa
terlalu.
banget? Apa banget gitu Kak Cika nonton Mike Tyson lawan Jack Paul. Saya Kak Cika menangin Mike Tysonnya. Kok stop saya? Nggak tahu besok.
First update lagi.
Apanya update lagi? Roblox? Ya,
Blender.
apa? Ntar dulu. Ya Hugo.
Iya, Blender versi update lagi.
Oke, ntar dulu ya Kak Cika.
Eh,
Closing dulu. Ntar ini Kak Cika. Kita close dulu ya. Kita udah closing. Banyak banget tab. Allahu Akbar. Ini dia mau bikin baru. Which is I'm going to make a new. Gue kalau udah siap ngasih tahu. Ketika mau bikin starter GUI dulu. Screen GUI. Banyak kan screen GUI ya? Screen GUI, frame, scrolling frame. Berarti kita bikin frame. Kenapa 2 kali? Oh benar deh. Oh, kasih name dulu. Store 1. Store 1 ya. Terus frame di dalam frame taruh di mana? Di sini. Gimana gedenya? Terserah aja. Nanti di
Oh,
setel.
nah,
Kecil bikin toko dulu kok. Oke. Terus frame-nya ada scrolling frame. Gimana sih scrolling coba? Scrolling frame. Terus di mana? Naruhnya di mana scrolling frame? Oh, bisa gini. Ya udah situ kali nggak tahu. Oke. Nah, ini caranya biar nggak pindah-pindah ya. Ini udah arti di sinilah ya. Ini kita berikan scrolling frame-nya. Oh, segede gitu. Oke. Berarti scrolling frame-nya kita gedein. Oke. Terus apa?
For it, and you can make it the exact size if you want.
Oh, the exact size. Oke. Oke, the exact size, bro. The exact size. Ih, lama. Oke, udah nih exact size nih. Terus apa?
Doesn't really matter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and stylize our frames. What I really like to do is make everything black and then set the background transparency to like 0.5. And then we're gonna go to our scrolling frame.
Background frame. Backgroundnya katanya hitam. Oh gitu. Transparansi. Oke. Transparansi 0.5. Terus apa? Kayak gitu. Gini yang Kak Cika ya. Kok jelek? Is it supposed to be like that? Why mine looks weird, yes? Ini nggak segede itu kan, lu mah kacau ay. Kita ngapain dong kalau gitu? Oh, kecilin dikit kali ya. Biar kelihatan backgroundnya. Apa gimana? Ctrl Z. Nah, kayak gitu. Nah, kan kalau udah kita
We're gonna make the background transparency 1, so you cannot see it.
what? Nah, scrolling frame. Nah, woi. Oke, terus
Oh. And so inside the scrolling frame, this is where we're gonna put our buttons at. So the first thing that we're gonna want to do is put a UI grid layout, and then we're gonna want to add a button.
UI. So UI grid layout text button. UI grid layout text button. Terus apa?
And so we're gonna want to go into the UI grid layout, and then we're gonna edit these cell size values. And it took me a minute to kind of come up with
250, cell size 250. UI grid layout, cell size. Kok nggak ada sih? Kok UI grid layout gue kagak ada colornya? Why is not there? Pusing nih racikannya. Kok nggak ada ya, aneh? Text buttonnya di mana? Lah, ini kan ada di sini. Di dalamnya ada UI grid layout. Lah. Ih, apa sih yang lewat?
Value that I like. Go to our scrolling frame and we're gonna make the background transparency 1 so you cannot see it at all. And so inside the scrolling frame, this is where we're gonna put our buttons at. So the first thing that we're gonna wanna do is put a UI grid layout and then we're gonna wanna add a button. And so we're gonna wanna go into
Kok dia adaan sih? Gue kagak ada. What do you mean, bro? What do you mean by it, bro?
UI
Kenapa
grid
UI-nya
layout
nggak
and then
keluar?
we're gonna edit these cell size
Go back.
is we're gonna go ahead and stylize our frames. What I really like to do is make everything black and then set the background transparency to like 0.5. And then we're gonna go to our scrolling frame and we're gonna make the background transparency 1 so you cannot see it at all. And so inside the scrolling frame, this is what we're gonna put our buttons at. So the first thing that we're gonna wanna do is put a UI grid layout and then we're gonna wanna add a button. And so
Coba hapus. Tambah lagi. Ih, nggak ada tahu. Text box kan? Sorry, text button. Agak ada, bro. Kok bisa nggak ada ya? Dia kayak aneh.
we're gonna wanna go into the UI grid layout and then we're gonna edit these cell size values. And it's
50. 60. Sekarang scrolling frame. UI grid layout. Benar. Tapi why can't I see it? Apa harus di-play? Kagak ada. Kagak ada kok. Center GUI. Mana display start 1. Frame. Scrolling frame. UI grid layout. Text button. Ih, aneh.
a minute to kind of come up with a value that I like, but I think I settled on 125 and 50. And
Coba colornya ya. Na. Tidak ada. Ya udah nonton dulu.
seemed to be a nice size for the button. And so once we have that, we're gonna want to scroll down in the UI grid layout frame, and we're gonna want to
Mhm.
center everything up. And again, I'm still messing with the cell size values here, but we can go down and we can find the horizontal alignment. We can change it to center. And so now the button will line up perfectly. And so I'm going to change it to 125 now. And I think that's a good size. So now we can style our button.
Mak, nggak ada buttonnya, Bang. Coba kita save aja dulu lah. Kan aneh. Coba Bu, dihapusnya sama Kak Cika semua kesel. Bikin lagi. Kita bikin sering GUI kan. Nomor 1. Udah. Jadi kita bikin frame. Kita bikin taruh frame. Kita taruh di sini, cenah. Oke. Terus kita tambahin scrolling. Oke. Gitu. Terus ini kita kasih grade layout. Terus grade layout kita kasih text button. Agak ada kagak ada logo. Aneh deh. Coba ya sekarang frame ini kita coba ubah backgroundnya jadi hitam katanya. Oke. Terus transparansinya jadi setengah. Oke. Terus si scrolling frame itu scrolling frame transparansinya 1 katanya biar nggak kelihatan. Oke. Nah, si UV grid-nya kagak ada. Kok nggak muncul ya? Udah bener ya. Ya dulu lah, kasih kebuka lagi coba ya. Save to Roblox. Nah, Robloxnya kasih restart dulu. Kok aneh sih? Coba ya. Yang Hugo aman nggak sih Robloxnya? Yang kecil aneh banget, tidak sesuai ini, tidak sesuai tutorial, Apa sih aneh? Dah ya, mana? Kok ini masih hidup? Wait. Astagfirullahnya apa sih? Wait. Ini kayak di force quit deh. Udah force quit. Oke, saya buka baru ya. Oke, sekarang tetapi dia ada. Ini aneh banget. Frame, scrolling frame, UV. Apa view-nya sih? Apa layernya ya? Oh, next button-nya kok nggak muncul? Hmm, coba kalau home, kalau di play. UI-nya jelek. Oke, coba kita
We can change the background transparency to black. And then change the
my UI with layout. Of link frame and frame. And button doesn't show up. Oh, atau nggak usah pakai itu ya? Baik, kalau misalnya nggak usah nih. Scrolling back, jika tambahan text button bisa nggak? Lo nggak usah pakai itu deh, liur. Oke, ini kita kecilin. Lo gini aja lah, brah. Oke, gitu ya, button kan. Nggak usah pakai jual gritan lah, liur. Oke, kita jadiin apa sekarang? Kayak ada dulu. Ah, udah. Oke, terus background hitam
background transparency to
0,8. Text button, background color black. Okay, transparency 0.8. Okay, all right, we got this. Terus
And then we're going to go down and we're going to change the text color to white.
okay. Okay. Terus cakep kan?
And then we're going to make the button text luckiest guy. 'Cause that's my favorite text.
Luckiest guy. Ya ampun. Ugo tahu gak? Font luckiest guy. Elah, luckiest guy banget. Luckiest guy. Mama. Mana font? Protes-protes tapi diikutin tutorialnya. Text. Luckiest guy. Iya. Do we have it here? Yes. Button. Nggak mau luckiest guy. Nggak luckiest banget. Apa ya? Go. Apa ya? Sengton. Biarin aja kayak tadi lah. Udah, urusan scroll aja. Size-nya gedein dikit aja. Text skill. Tapi jelek ya. Apa sih biasanya Kak Cika tuh ya? Font face-nya. Montserrat. Jelek ya. Serif aja. Nunito. Ya Allah gini aja ribet. Roboto mono aja lah. Roboto. Luckiest guy nggak luckiest banget, Udah lah ya, Roboto dulu ya. Dah. Terus?
And so once we have that, we can change the button text to pretty much whatever you want. We're gonna end up
Oh, kalau angka besar Roboto sih tebel. Nah, ini kita ganti teksnya jadi 1. Terus bikin 2 lagi ya, Bang. Oke, siap. Darah. 1. Jelek. Ya order deh, kita ikut deh. Luckiest guy deh biar angkanya tebel. Kita lakukan itu. Tunggu sebentar ya. Mana sih font tuh? Nah ini. Oke, 1. Oke, terus kita gimana? Bikin 2 lagi. Terus?
manipulating that with the script later, so it doesn't really matter. What does matter is the name of your button. So the name of your button is also going to be the same name of your tool. And you want to make sure that whatever your tool name is, you name the button that exact name.
Price.
And so once you have that, you want to create an int value inside of the button and rename it to price. And so then I'm going to create.
Oke. Berarti tambahin di button ini. Oke, text buttonnya. Rename. 1. Nambahin apa tadi? Tadi nambahin apa sih tadi? Price. Oke. Apaan sih? What did you add, by the way?
Button. So the name of your button is also going to be the same name of your tool. And you want to make sure that whatever your button is also going to be the same name of your tool. And you want to make sure that whatever your tool name is, you name the
Tuh, kok tuh ya? Oh, oke. Apa namanya? Price. Oke, sekarang nih kita copy. Gimana caranya sih? Salah. Ya berarti bikin lagi. X button. Tambahin lagi. Oh, lama. Oh, nggak gitu. Nggak gitu deh, mendingan gini aja. Oke, ini delete. Ini si price, katanya kasih value-nya 200 cenah. Oke. Sekarang, ketika copy ini, duplicate. Enggak dong. Nah. Duplicate. Nah. Kok di situ sih? Go aman, go. Ini 2. Go anteng berarti aman harusnya ya. Ketika lagi sibuk. Baik ini. Oke, ini 2 kan. Not bad lah ya, bro. Let me geser-geser dikit. Nah. Oke. Dua. Terus kita save. Duplicate lagi. Oke, jadi 3. Ini teksnya.
Lumayan, not bad.
Oke. Terus
that exact name. And so once you have that, you want to create an int value inside of the button and rename it to price. And so then I'm going to create 2 or 3 buttons now, just for the purpose of the video. And you can go ahead and put in whatever you want for it. You can do swords, guns, whatever it is. It doesn't really matter.
Taruh. Ini berarti hold on. Sekarang tuh itu lupa. Taruh ketika lupa sesuatu.
As long as you put it in the server storage and the button is just for the purpose of the video. And you can go ahead and put in whatever you want for it. You can do swords, guns, whatever it is. It doesn't really matter. As long as you put it in the server storage and the button is the same name as the tool, it'll work. And so now that we have that, our GUI is pretty much set up. And we can go ahead and set the frame to it.
Kamu mah frame-nya nanti nggak bisa lagi gerak. Dulu. Arti ke sini. Nah. Oke.
If we want. I'm gonna end up adding a close button later, but we'll do that before we move on to the server side. So now what we want to do is put a local script inside of our frame. And
Oke, di frame kita kasih local script. Siap, Bang. Local script di frame. We're going to add local script. Okay, let's go.
where we're gonna save. We're gonna the next thing code event
Nah, kan kita
whenever
ngetik coding nih, Go.
as needed. And that'll also tell us if
Oke. Sekarang begini. And then begini.
the script is working.
Ya, Bang, jangan ngomong
Baik.
dulu, Bang. Nah, gini. Terus ini apaan? Berarti Kak Cika harus bawa si ini ke sini. Terus si ini kita giniin. Terus si toolbox. Udah biarin aja deh. Toolbox matiin atau enggak ya? Oke. local player sama dengan game players local player. Oke, local money step player player start local frame script parent. Okay. Local buttons frame nggak usah pakai kita pakai scrolling frame. Yep, descendants. Okay. For I button in pairs buttons. Aduh, dia tahu bener ada buttonsnya nih. Oke. Bahasa kesukaannya Hugo nih, dua. Button is a text button or button is a image button, then local price value sama dengan button find first child price. Okay. Local price sama dengan to number. Oh, ini cara ngambilnya gini. Price value. To number. Oke, sekarang jadi string lagi. Terus local karena dia teks ya. Price teks sama dengan to string. Price value. Oke. Button text sama dengan button min. Ini apa sih? Oh iya ya, kalau di luar tuh concatenate itu pakai titik 2 kali ya, Go? Gue pasti inget nggak? Ini gitu ya, titik 2 gini ya. Price. Ingat deh, kayaknya waktu itu saya pakai. Lupa. Iya, Kak Cika juga lupa inget, Button text, button mouse, button one click, connect, function. Kayaknya iya deh, titik-titik. Oke lah, ikut aja. Terus, itu kan end. Oke. If money stat value lebih besar dari price, then game replicate storage shop 1 event fire server. Oh, pakai file server dia. Button name price. Ngambil dari buttonnya. Else print player does not have enough. Kasian banget ya. Oke, end. Save. Terus apa?
Also tell us if the script is working. But I should have enough money in my save bank that we made yesterday to pretty much buy any of it. And there we go. So now that we have that set to visible, we're going to want to create a way that we can open this shop. And so the easiest way to do that is to put a script inside of a part with a proximity prompt.
Proximity part. Allah Akbar, saya harus bikin part lagi. Aku harus bikin part. Hold on. Partnya gimana move-nya gue? Udah partnya di sini aja partnya. Oke. Ini kita punya part. Udah gitu kasih apa tadi? Proximity prompt. Sama dikasih apa lagi? Script. Script apa? Script atau script?
And then I'm going to say local
Shop part.
function. It's script and actually player. So just
Local prompt kewenangan. Script. Dan proximity prompt. Local function. Oh, ada open game apa ya? Player. Local event. Game. Replicate to storage. Open shop. Satu. Event. Eventnya bisa dibuat nih. Event. File. Client. Player. And terus kita trigger prox. Triggered. Connect. Open. UI. Save.
doing that, it should open the GUI.
Coba ya, tes.
Let's test it. Let's see.
Kita tes yang kita. Ya gue aman gue. Tadi tes dulu ya bentar ya. Weh. Oke, interact. Oh, ada interact. Interact. Terus apa? Gak bisa interact. Kagak mau. Harusnya gimana sih? Oh,
Boop.
kok lu bisa gitu? Kok yang gue nggak nge-hide?
Here, and
Oh.
it says
Ini Kak Cika kelewat ini, Go.
went ahead and wrote a event to
Oke. Berarti alamak, gue salah tadi. Local script, button price, frame visible, false. Frame visible, dengan false. Yang ini frame visible juga false. Yes. Ih, tutup. What the? Stop. Pasti gara-gara scrolling frame-nya deh. Oh, salah-salah gue. Ini harus ada game, replicate the storage, open shop 1, online event, connect, function. Nah, gitu. Frame, visible, group. Oh, nggak ada yang Python ya yang true-nya. Kalau di luar, true-nya kecil. In press button dulu is a text button, press value, press value to string, oke, button, connect, manage state, give value or n. Oke, tes. Tetep aja apaan nih? What's wrong with me? Selalu berbeda. Ah, Bapak tutorialnya
Leave our
nggak
client
ngasih
event here
password.
and it says game.replicated storage. That opens shop one, and whatever receives that event is going to set it to true. And then I also made it so that when we press any of the buttons, it'll set the GUI to false. And so it's not going to open yet because we didn't set those arguments like I was saying. And you can see here it says argument 1 is missing or nil. And so an event here and it says went ahead and wrote a event.
Nggak kelihatan lagi tulisnya. Oke. Apa ada yang salah ya? Button name price. Oh, is it the price? Price. Ada yang salah ya? Price text, price value. Oh, shop 1 event. Dia tuh namanya ini. Dia punya ini. Open application storage itu punya open shop 1 sama di replicate storage. Dia punya remote event. Di sini namanya open shop 1. Ditambah lagi remote event, shop 1 event. Nih. Ini di atas aja biar sama. Enggak. Open shop 1, shop event. Oke, coba. Itu tuh nggak ada. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? Stop. Ya, kita harus lebih jeli melihat ini ya.
open shop one.
Oh, I forgot this. Udah deh, open shop one.
And then in our local function, we're going to say game.replicated storage.openshop one. And then we're going to fire this event. So we're going to say event fire client. And then in the parentheses, we need to put player in the OpenGUI, and then we need to put player beside fire client. I'm going to show you what happens when you don't put those arguments in. It's just going to throw an error saying argument one is missing or nil. And so it's very easy to fix that. And every server script you do, you want to make sure you use the arguments, like the player argument and so on and so forth. Otherwise, it's just going to break the script. Like the script is not going to know. It might receive an event, but it's not going to know for whom. So if you don't put player there, then it's not going to know, okay, we need to receive it for the player who fired it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I went ahead and wrote a event to receive our client event.
Gue kalau mau times up kasih tau ke Cika ya.
Oke, mau.
Mau? Oke.
Iya.
Saya kita mau kasih kan nemenin gue. Ih, tetep gak bisa. Udah di save aja. Aman gue tapi gue. Ih, gelap. Aman kan? Animation aman? Gak bisa share screen ya? Berat.
Aman.
Kak Cika dikit lagi
Aku udah
beres.
share screen.
Mana? Gak ada. Oh iya udah. Allah, Kak Cika gak lihat dari tadi. Tunggu gue mau tungguin. Sok gue kalau ada yang tanggung biarin dulu. Ya Allah, Kak Cika baru lihat. Kasihkan morning. Kalau lagi di play. Oh iya ya. Pakai blender ya. Gue Kak Cika lupa. Menggila dia. Nanti Kak Cika mau lihat dulu ya. Tungguin dulu. Jangan pergi dulu. Beresin dulu Kak gue. Oh. Bentar ya. Kan dia ada. Itu some part of this can be coded loh. Dia pakai blender kan. Ketika inget deh. Kayaknya ada. Gila. Banyak banget meshnya. Ya Allah ya Rasulullah. Saya mencoba memahami dashboardnya. Saya banyak banget. Grip handle, right arm, left arm, bolt. Terus frame-nya ada banyak. Jadi kalau pas gini gerak semua bagian itu ya. Oh. Mode-nya banyak Allah. Ya, jadi berarti tambah banyak gerakannya tambah.
Nah, that's bad.
Save dulu, Go, jangan lupa. Astaga, ini berat gak sih?
Oke, enggak terlalu.
Enggak terlalu. Banyak kan Cikap sebenarnya kita bisa ngerender
Save.
pakai iPhone loh. Ada misalnya gerakan-gerakan yang misalnya kita cuman, misalnya kita tahu ya trailingnya gimana gitu, XY-nya. Itu kan sebenarnya bisa, kayaknya ya teman ketika pernah bilang kayaknya dia bisa. Kayak misalnya gini, dia mau bikin animasi orang jalan gitu misalnya, atau loncat. Nah itu tuh si koordinatnya tuh bisa di generate sama pakai Python, nggak tahu lah, pokoknya di renderin sama Python atau gimana. Karena ini exit dulu maksimal kali. Ya ampun, taruh. Kita sambil nyalain lampu. Gelap sekali dunia ini. Dunia semakin gelap. Langsung nyalain lampu. Bentar. Buka bentar. Dia udah menyala. Lampu kita tidak gelap lagi. Dan Coba kita ngecek ya, yang ini kenapa nggak jalannya. Lightning,
Here, and it says
connect function. Udah bener kok. On create if connect function. Open shop 1. Hmm? Ya, masih. Gak usah lah. Yang ada aja.
game.replicated storage. That opens shop 1 and whenever
Start. Dapat bener. Bener sekali.
use that event, it's going to set it to true. And then I also made it so that when we press any of the buttons and whenever it sees that, it'll set the GUI to false. And so it's not going to open yet because
Aneh yang punya cika-cika broken nih. Kenapa dia nggak mau? Frame, single. Frame, script parent. Udah bener kok di frame. Script parent kok. Kenapa ya? Player local player stats cache. Script parent, frame scrolling, frame local button. client event for our button in pairs button do if button is A or find first child price text button text button click connect function if B besar dari price then bener kok. Emang desain apa lagi sih? Kan lewat event pasti. UI. Oh, ini yang gue pindahin ke sini. Nah, oke. Box, script parent.
Fired it. Game.replicated storage. That opens shop one because we didn't set those arguments like I was saying, and it should. Now I'm gonna change a few more things. Also want to add like a close button. So if a player does decide that
Button text first mouse button, one click. Connect function. If price lebih besar dari price, then replicated storage sub event fire server button name price previsible false navani false and end.
Udah Miss Melisa.
Aman? Udah?
Udah.
Thank you ya Go. Save dulu jangan lupa.
Udah.
See you next week ya. Sehat-sehat ya.
Udah.
Thank you for talking. Bye-bye.
Udah,
Lu Go.
Miss.
Dadah, salam buat kucingnya.